Hey everyone! Welcome back to Trendy Kitchen. Introducing the Mecity Coffee Maker 3-in-1 single-serve coffee machine, a versatile and compact solution for all your brewing needs. Whether you're a fan of K-cup capsules, prefer the rich aroma of ground coffee, or enjoy a soothing cup of loose-leaf tea, this machine has you covered. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any kitchen space, making it an ideal choice for both home and office use. Key features: versatile brewing options, compatible with K-cup capsules, ground coffee, and loose-leaf tea, catering to diverse taste preferences. Adjustable brew sizes, select from 6, 8, or 10-ounce cups to suit your desired strength and volume. Rapid brewing, enjoy a freshly brewed cup in just 60 to 100 seconds, perfect for busy mornings. Generous water reservoir, equipped with a 50-ounce removable reservoir, allowing multiple brews before needing a refill. User-friendly design, features intuitive controls and a removable drip tray to accommodate various cup sizes and ensure easy cleaning. Elevate your daily routine with the Mecity Coffee Maker 3-in-1 single-serve coffee machine, where convenience meets quality in every cup. In-depth review. The Mecity Coffee Maker 3-in-1 single-serve coffee machine stands out in the crowded market of single-serve brewers by offering unparalleled versatility and efficiency. Its ability to brew K-cup capsules, ground coffee, and loose-leaf tea makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen, catering to a wide range of beverage preferences. Design and build. Measuring 10.6 inches in depth, 6.3 inches in width, and 11 inches in height, this coffee maker boasts a compact footprint, ideal for kitchens with limited counter space. The sleek silver and black finish, complemented by stainless steel accents, adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen decor. The machine's construction utilizes BPA-free materials, ensuring safety and durability. Brewing performance. Equipped with a smart flow management system, the Mecity Coffee Maker delivers precise brewing tailored to your selected cup size, 6, 8, or 10 ounces. The rapid brewing cycle, ranging from 60 to 100 seconds, ensures you can enjoy your favorite beverage without unnecessary delays. The machine's improved heating structure and enhanced pump quality, updated in June 2023, significantly reduce the failure rate and extend the machine's lifespan. Ease of use. Operating the Mecity Coffee Maker is straightforward. Simply fill the removable 50-ounce water reservoir, insert your choice of K-cup, ground coffee, or loose tea into the appropriate filter, select your desired cup size, and press the brew button. The machine handles the rest, delivering a hot, flavorful beverage in under 2 minutes. The removable drip tray accommodates taller mugs and simplifies the cleaning process. Maintenance. Cleaning the Mecity Coffee Maker is hassle-free. The detachable filter basket and drip tray can be easily removed and washed directly. Additionally, the machine features a decal mode to maintain optimal performance. When the medium cup button and start button flash, the machine prompts you to run the descaling process, which involves brewing 6 cups of hot water after removing any pods. Customer feedback. Users have praised the Mecity Coffee Maker for its versatility and compact design. One reviewer noted, "Everything about this machine is a delight. It has a large reservoir without being bulky. It begins brewing almost instantly, and the resulting beverage is hot without being scalding." Another user highlighted its efficiency, stating, "This coffee maker has streamlined my mornings. Unbeatable convenience, speed, and top-notch coffee." Conclusion. The Mecity Coffee Maker 3-in-1 single-serve coffee machine offers a harmonious blend of versatility, efficiency, and user-friendly design. Its ability to brew various beverages quickly, coupled with its compact footprint and easy maintenance, makes it an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and adaptable brewing solution. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or a tea enthusiast, this machine is designed to meet your daily brewing needs with ease and style. Experience the convenience and quality of the Mecity Coffee Maker 3-in-1 single-serve coffee machine, and elevate your daily beverage routine to new heights. Want to grab yours? Click the link in the description to check it out on Amazon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. See you in the next video.